Okay, friends, I am really excited about today's lesson. Today we're going to talk about subtracting with an expanded algorithm. Remember, the word algorithm means problem. So we're going to use an expanded number sentence or problem to help us solve a subtraction problem with 3-digit numbers. So today we're going to be breaking 3-digit numbers apart in subtraction problems into smaller pieces. And we all know that when we have big 3-digit numbers, if we can break them into smaller pieces, it might make the problem a little easier to solve. So, think about what you already know about subtraction. We know that in subtraction, we start with the whole or the larger number, and we're taking away a part of it. And what we're trying to find is the difference, and the difference is the other part. When we add a part and a part to get the whole, and when we subtract, we have the whole, take away a part, gives us the other part or the difference. Okay, let's think about this. If my whole is 433, and then I need to take away 224, how can I use the expanded form to break this large problem into smaller pieces? Okay, so our whole number is the 433. We've expanded the second number to 220 and 4. The first thing we're going to do is take 200 away. So 433 take away 200 equals 233. The second thing we're going to do is take the 20 away. 233 take away 20 is 213. The third thing we're going to do is take the 4 away. 213 take away 4 is 209. You may have noticed that I started with the hundreds when I took away the parts. It's okay to start with the hundreds, but you can also start with the ones. It actually doesn't matter which side you start on when you've broken them into the smaller pieces in expanded form. You can start with the 20 value if you'd like. Okay, let's try another one together. In just a minute, I'm going to ask you to get out your whiteboard or a piece of paper and a pencil, but don't do it yet. Listen for just a minute. We have a new problem, which is 374 take away 236. The first thing I need to remember is to expand the amount in the problem that you are taking away, which is the 236. So let's expand that together. 200 plus 30 plus 6. All right, I'm going to take the ones away this time first. But I know that if I start with 374, I don't want to have to regroup, and I need to take away 4. If I take 4, I can break 6 even into a smaller piece. So let me erase the 6, and I know that I can break 6 into a 4 plus a 2. So I'm going to use this value first. 374 take away 4 is equal to 370. Ooh, that made it easier to do, but I can't forget about my 2. So now I'm going to take my 370, which is what I have left, and this time I'm going to take away the 2. 370 take away 2 is 368. Okay, let's take away the tens value, which is 30. Start with the number we have left, which is 368, and I'm going to take away 30 this time. 368 take away 30 is equal to 338. All right, my last value I have to take away is my hundreds. So I'm going to do 338 take away 200, and I know that's only going to leave me with 138. Nice job. Okay, now you should have your whiteboards and markers or paper and pencil. And we're going to do this one together. So first, let's go over our parts of our subtraction problem. Here's my whole number. here's how many I'm going to take away from this number. So this is the number I'm going to expand. So everybody, will you expand this number with me? We've got 500, and we have 20 in this number, and we have the value of 3. Okay, I think we'll start with the ones again this time, but know that you can start with the hundreds if you would like to. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to write my first problem. 738. 738 take away 3 is 735. Okay, let's move to our tens value, which is 20. Write the number we have left, which is 735. Take away 20 is 715. Let's go to our hundreds value next, which is 500. I have 715 left. I'm going to take away 500, and that equals 215. This is our difference. Now that we've gone over the steps together, you're ready to practice together with your class. Good luck. I know you're going to do awesome, my awesome mathematicians.